a golden bird that lived in a cage. One day I let him out to play, and my golden bird, he flew away. I had a fish that lived in a bowl, a golden fish that lived in a bowl. One day I let him out to play, and my golden fish, he swam away. I had a dog that lived in the shag, a lovely dog that lived in the bag. One day I let him out to play, and my lovely dog, he ran away. That lived in a pen, a lovely horse that lived in a pen. One day I let him out to play, and my lovely horse, he ran away. Now here I am on my own. Here I am all alone. One day I fly up to the sky, and none of my friends will be there to wave me goodbye. One day I'll fly up to the sky, and none of my friends will be there to wave me goodbye. Woo!